So I'm just telling you right now, work in a crawl space is not easy because there's 3 blocks, they're 8 inches tall, that's 24 inches, that's 2 feet. And our guys have to come in here and dig a trench to do waterproofing up against that concrete footer there. And then they need to drill 3 half-inch weep holes into each block. So do you know how many holes that is for a 1,400 square foot crawl space? And then we need to HEPA-vac all of the mold off of the floor joist here. And over here on this side, it's not too bad. On the other side, it's really bad. But here's why I'm really showing you, making this video, because that sill plate, which you can not see too well because I'm too far away from it, it's all rotted out. So for starting about right there, we need to replace the sill plate all the way over to the other side of the garage, which you cannot see either. But to replace that sill plate, we need to come in here and lift up and support these floor joists so that we can dig out that sill plate right there. And the sill plate is what sits on the concrete block. So you got the concrete block, you got the sill plate, which is like a 2x8, sits flat on the block, and then you've got the floor joist, and then we call it the band board, which is kind of like a rubber band around all the floor joist. But in this case, that sill plate is rotted out for various reasons as far as water on the outside. So we need to come in here and lift up the floor joist, 4 or 5 at a time, take out that sill plate. Let's see if I can get closer. There's an electrical wire. Yeah, that's what I hate about crawl spaces and water. So anyway, that sill plate, need to take it out, and then we need to put in a new one. It's going to be a treated wood sill plate, and then we need to set those floor joists back down. And on some of the band boards, we'll have to cut in new band boards to help support that too. But when you look at some of my prices sometimes and you go like, well, why is it so much money? Picture yourself down here trying to do this work in 2-foot tall areas where you're trying to do productive work. So it's not easy, especially like when we're doing the waterproofing. We backfill it with 5-gallon buckets of river gravel. So we've got to get those 5-gallon buckets in here. So it's hundreds of buckets when we do a waterproofing system in a crawl space. It's the same system in a crawl space or a basement, and you can see where that water, all the water stains where it goes from the outside. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. Picture yourself working down here, trying to be productive to make this crawl space dry, healthy, and stable. Our guys do it. It's not easy, but they do it, and they have a passion for doing it just like I do. And it's awesome to see as far as, helping people out, get to the closing table. So if you need us, hit me up on Facebook Messenger. Go Pacers, beat the Bucks tonight. Talk to you later.